Springtime is here and we're busy, busy, busy. Lot's full. I love the springtime because you get all the cars out in the lot. It looks more like an appropriate shop, you know what I mean? Because unfortunately, being up here in the Lower Mainland, or we are, in the winter time, everything's put away in the garage, tucked away. You don't want to get it all covered in snow and rain and all the fucking bullshit that Mother Nature has to deal with, or bring us, I should say. But in the summertime, the springtime, they're all out front. They look awesome. They look cool. So let's see what's going on. Just a small little update. So we've got the 70 Charger. I've put it up on the hoist, and that's where it's going to sit for a day or two. Oh, hang on a second here. Here is Lordco, so I will have to deal with them, and I will be right back. Okay, Lordco is gone, as you can see. So what we got over here is the 66 Chev pickup, the 4-wheel drive. I am working on the front panel. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I welded a new piece along here, Just made one piece, bent it over, cut it out, welded it in, much like what we're doing over here. See, it's rusted in here. They always rust in here, these trucks, because they're double paneled here. So that's what's going on with the 66. And then we got Lisa out here. What are you doing out there? Yeah? What's that?
And a bug just flew into it.
A bug?
Yeah, don't film this.
Don't film the bug?
No.
I just leave it in there and charge extra for it.
Oh.
So you've lettered the tailgates. You're doing a little striping design there. It's got a little striping design going on there in the corner. Come around the front here. A lady bought this truck just recently. And, she's got her stickers all over. Canadian girls, kick ass, okay. Canadian girls want to party. Wow, that doesn't say a lot for Canadian girls, does it? Guess it says they're rowdy and partiers and drinkers. And what do we got going on here? It's a 1954, if you're wondering. Lisa did a little design there on the front. Looking good. Let's take a look. Let's take a look inside this thing. Look at that magenta seat. Look at that velour interior. Oh my god. Look at that. I feel like I'm at Count's Customs or something. That's awesome.
She actually sewed that interior.
She what?
She sewed that interior.
Oh, she sewed it herself.
Yeah, she's a seamstress and she did the interior.
Good for her.
Yeah.
Good for her. Do what you like. It's your vehicle. Make it your own. So that's what's going on there. And then you can see here we got, I don't know if you guys remember, some of my new subscribers won't, probably 2 years ago we did this truck for Colby. We did a frame off. It wasn't like a show queen or a trailer queen. It was just a driver. So he brought it back in because it's, he wants to deal with the, we never did finish off the wood in the box here. So that's, you know, we're going to do a couple extra rails in there and get a few things straightened out. But this was his truck. Nice little truck, like I say, go back on the past videos, you'll see it. You can see the Porsche over there. The Porsche is going for paint today. We're just wiping it down, blowing it out, and it is gone for paint. So that's what's going on here today in the shop. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Yep. It is. Yeah. There it is. So that's what's happening, guys. So, get out of the sun here. So remember, it is always a good time here at Old Time, especially in the summertime, when the birds are out, the grass is green. What else can I say? The beer is cold, and that's it. So remember, thanks a lot for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Big thumbs up to all you guys out there. Get out in that garage, build something.